ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ವೈಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ?
Gandhi went towards the depressed classes, towards higher classes. Dr. B. Ambedkar remained the head of depressed classes towards higher classes.
Okay. ಸರಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮನೋಜ್, how do you say that Anant was a talented boy?
Anant was a partition and best table tennis player in his school. He learned sitar and was able to compose his own tennis more than his guru, and also which is astonishing for his guru. He was good in many things more than sitar. Like this, we can say that Anant was a talented boy.
Okay. Let's see. Scientists are the most practical people in the world. Justify.
Scientists are the most practical people in the world because of medicines, electronics, resources of energy, green revolution, antibiotics, synthetic paper, biotechnology. These are the gifts of scientists. That's why we say that scientists are the most practical people in the world.
ಈಗ ಸಮರಿಗೆ 25 ಮತ್ತು 26ನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲಾಖೆದವರು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಠಗಳಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಹಂತದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ 2026 ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಡು ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಸಮರಿ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಸನ್? ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಾರಿ.
Your lesson is written by Arkan here. Poet was to describe about a boy, and one day Samuel's father reading a newspaper in the hall, and there was a report about the murder of village boy. While one day he was returning to the home by the jungle path. A tiger came to face to face and he fought with the tiger and stayed half a day on the tree till someone killed it. After reading the newspaper, Samuel's father asked what was his opinion. He said that how could a boy fought with a tiger, not a boy, and a grown person and man could fought with a tiger, not a boy. This was a Samuel's comment on the newspaper. But his father said that courage is important, but he didn't agree his father's words, and also but his father said that to prove his courage. But Samuel tried to escape from his father by saying about the reasons. Because of he didn't like to sleep alone in the office room. That's why he tried to escape from his father. But finally his father sent him to sleep alone in the office room without any reasons. And in the office room he remembered stories of devils, ghosts, and Muslim father asked story. And as every moment he felt that the devil came up and carried him away. In the silence he appeared in the upper room, and he heard clicking of the glass, snoring sounds, and rustle of trees. But in that moment he was so afraid that time suddenly he woke up and also started to sleep under the bench. In the under the bench he dreamed about a tiger, and after a few minutes he saw a figure on the moving. After a few minutes he saw a figure moving on the wall. He felt that it was a devil, but it was not a devil. It was the most notorious burglar of the district. He caught the burglar and became a hero. And also the next day, congratulations showed on the sun because of he caught the notorious burglar. That's why his teacher and also friends looked him with respect, and also teacher patted his back. Like this, boy became a hero in the life.
ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಸಮರಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಮನೋಜ್?
Sir, especially was timid boy because of
he was a timid boy. But although he said again and again his father that he was a courageous boy. Okay, he said that courage is not important. Strength and is important to face anything in his life.
And also sir, afraid to sleep in the because in the office because of sir, he always have to beside his mother and dad.
Why do you take away his source of entertainment? Who asked this?
Sadisa's mother.
Who does you refer to?
We refer to your Sadisa's father.
What was his source of entertainment?
Drawing pictures and painting.
Okay. So Lakshmi, the next question for you. I don't speak to them. I hate them. Who does I refer to?
Who does them refer to?
Seamen.
Very good. Why did the speaker hate them?
The seamen drank too much and they were attached to polar.
Okay.
ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಮಯ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಮ್ಮ?
Anyone just missing is standing like a black ancient monster. His face is old, wrinkled, rough and unshaven. It shows his pain. His blue shirt is faded and turned dark with sweat. His neck is unworn. His shoes are torn and filled with saxophone and played the music. He is no longer a black man. He is a bird and higher he is spreading the gospel of jazz and spreading the message of God to the people on the earth.
Okay.
ಸೊ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು